Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. This is Anjali and you are watching PrettyPOP. Today I am going to show you a very basic and easy eye makeup tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. I have already done my eyebrows on off camera so that I can jump straight to the eye makeup, and if you want me to do a full tutorial for eyebrows then comment below. First of all, I am applying a concealer as my eye primer, and this one is from Attribution London. I am applying this all over my eyes, so if I have any pigmentation, this concealer gonna hide it. Not only that, this one also make your eyeshadow more easier to blend, and it also create a really smooth look. Now I am using my compact powder to set my concealer. Guys, if you are a beginner, try this tape method first so that you can have a guideline. I am using this normal cello tape here. You can use any sticky tape, whatever you like. Friends, when you think of having a good eye makeup, then you think of blending. So make sure to use a very good blending brush. This is the eye makeup diagram. If you are a beginner, you need to know which part is what actually. For my eye makeup, I am taking my Makeup Revolution Flawless palette, and I am taking this shade for my transition shade, and it should be one shade darker than your skin color. Now I am taking this eyeshadow on my brush very lightly, not too much, and now I am tapping off the excess color so it will not give me any patchy look, and I am applying this eyeshadow directly on my crease area. As you can see, I am showing you all my crease right now. Basically, it's under my brow bone area. Always use these two techniques. One is swiping motion and the second one is circular motion. If you are new to eye makeup and if you follow these two techniques, your eye makeup will look very good and very well blended like a pro. Now I am taking a bit darker shade than previous one, and I am applying this color on my lid. As you can see, I am tapping off my excess eyeshadow, and I am using my same eyeshadow brush and same eyeshadow technique, swiping motion and circular motion. And friends, you can literally change your eyeshadow color of your choice, or you can match your eyeshadow color with your outfits as well. So let's do the practice at your home. Now let me know if this works for you. Now the second part is adding definition to depth to your eye makeup, and for this I am using my Real Technique based shadow brush. You can use any kind of brush for this. I am taking this black eyeshadow from my Makeup Revolution palette, and again I am tapping off the excess color. Now I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow on my outer third or outer V area. As you can see, I am showing here where I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow. Okay friends, so for this I am taking my time and apply little by little and building up the eyeshadow. As you can see, I am not dragging this eyeshadow to the middle part of my eyes. I am just keep blending on my outer corner, and when I am satisfied with my blending, then I am gonna take my previous eyeshadow color brush again and start blending the edges of transition color because I don't want any harsh line. Now I'm gonna take my concealer again and applying on my lid where I have not put any kind of eyeshadow, and I'm gonna blend this concealer with my finger. You don't need to be perfect here, just do a little bit dabbing motion and blend your concealer. Now the final part, you can use any metallic, shimmery, even glitter eyeshadow, whatever your choice. I am going to use this shimmery copper shade and applying this with my finger where I have already applied my concealer. And again I'm blending the edges where I have applied my shimmer shade, so there is no harsh line. Now the highlighting part, I am taking my light color from the same eye palette with the help of flat eye brush. I am applying this on my brow bone area, then I am taking my blending brush again and blend the edges very well. I know, yeah. If you are a beginner, then this is the most difficult part of eye makeup, that is eyeliner. But I'm gonna make this job very easy for you. So I'm taking my Maybelline gel liner and making a wing from my outer corner. As you can see, I already have my tape, so it's gonna be very easy for me. And now I am starting from inner corner and making a very thin line and connecting to that wing area. Friends, I will suggest you to start with the very thin line, then you can build it up. And friends, one more suggestion, if you are a beginner then don't choose liquid eyeliner, always choose gel eyeliner. Because अगर आप जेल लाइनर यूज़ करेंगे तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपका हाथ इजीली कंफर्टेबल हो जाएगा एंड आप बहुत आसानी से लाइन ड्रॉ कर पाएंगे. Now I'm gonna take off my tape and I will remove all the fallouts with the help of baby wipes. And now I'm applying the same black eyeshadow on my lower lash line with the help of this pencil brush. And I am applying the same Maybelline gel liner on my waterline. And then I'm taking this kind of small pencil brush and smudging out my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna applying my mascara, and this is from Maybelline. एंड मैंने अपने आईलैशेस को एक अच्छा वॉल्यूम देने के लिए इस तरीके से मस्कारा लगाया है. पहले अपने आईलैशेस को नीचे की तरफ ले जाते हुए मस्कारा लगाया और फिर उसको मैंने ऊपर से कर्ल किया है. एंड देन आई एम अप्लाइंग दिस मस्कारा ऑन माय लोअर लैश लाइन एज वेल. Now I am applying this champagne color on my inner corner, and this will give me a fresh look for all my eye makeup. Now friends, I'm all done and this is my final look. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like my video then please give a thumbs up, and if you have any question then comment below on my comment section. और अगर आप मेरी वीडियो पर नए हैं then please subscribe my channel. अब मिलते हैं मेरी next video में. Till then, take care. Bye bye.